Hello, my friends. Well, as our quarantine continues and my supplies dwindle, I'm stretching things to see just how diluted I can go and still wind up with a nice pour. So today I'm mixing a lot of Floetrol with things. I'm using what remains of my art mines, and I diluted this 8:1 with Floetrol. And I have 4 colors in art mines. The gold DecoArt, mix that 1:1, it's pretty liquidy. And black Floetrol 2:1. And then I had this weird chalky paint. I've never used it for any purpose. I think if a neighbor moved away and gave me a bunch of odd stuff she had, this was among it. So I thought, well, I'm going to try that and see how that works. And I diluted that about the same. It's very, very thick, so maybe 8:1. The color is kind of blah. So I jazzed it up a bit by adding a little bit of the dazzling metallic and this peridot to it. It really didn't change it very much, so I'm hoping that it doesn't ruin my painting, because the other ones are all so pretty, but I needed another light color, and I wanted to see what kind of an effect I would get with the chalk paint. So we'll give it a go. This is a 9x11, I think, canvas. Oh, I'm not sure. Oh, no, it's 14. It's 11x14. Hopefully this will be sufficient amount of paint for it. We'll see. So I'll put them in the order that I think will look nice coming out of the cup. Black and, what do they call this? Aquamarine. Oh, it's so pretty. That should look very nice together. This is sapphire. Peridot. It's still quite thick. I mean, it's amazing how you can put a lot of Floetrol in there. And now this odd, I don't even know what the color is. I think it's just called retro. Very weird. Very neutral. But again, it's the chalk effect that I'm curious to see what will happen. Gold. Figured I would sandwich it in between 2 lovely colors. We'll do at least 2 layers, possibly 3. That is luscious. Okay. Changing up the order a little bit, that's fine. Let's do it. Let's put gold and put all that in there. This odd thing. Ah, what the heck. Okay, that should be sufficient. And here we go. Yesterday I spent a good 12 hours on the computer uploading about 40 pieces onto my website, so I would love to have you go take a look if you'd like to see what I've got, what I've done, and yeah, my website's listed below in the comments, chrissypaints.com. Okay, let's see what happens here. Oh, that's so pretty coming out of the cup. I don't see any sign of that ugly color yet. That's strange. Here it comes. Okay. Huh. Whew. It's always pretty at this stage, isn't it? Excuse me. I embellish a lot of my pours, but I'm always thrilled when I come up with a pour that I think is pretty enough to stand on its own. So maybe this will be one of those. We'll see. I'm going to add some black so I get some negative space going. Where do I want it? Next to that green would be pretty. Yeah, maybe over this side. I've mentioned before on earlier videos, but I never worry about the sides of the canvas. Once I'm happy with the composition, I stop tilting, and when it dries, I come back with a solid color, in this case probably black, and fill in any voids, and that seems to work well. Okay, let's do some tilting. Oh, there's such a beautiful glimmer in there, shimmer, glimmer from the gold, I think. No silicone, of course. Let's go all the way over there. Set it down and look at it for a moment here and see if I am liking the negative space here, and I think I'll like it on that corner as well. Some nice effects happening. Maybe it is this chalk paint, I'm thinking. I didn't have any enamel, but I'm getting these little puffy looking things. The only thing different is the chalk paint, so I think we can assume that's making a good looking effect. I don't want to lose that corner. Come down here and see how that works. If that's sufficient, I think I'm liking it. I really like this look right there. I'd like to open this up some more, but I don't want to sacrifice that black area, and I like the green against it, so I think I'll leave that, but this is not very exciting. I think I may tilt that way a bit. And back a bit, I like to get as much movement as possible in it. I like this, and now I'm happier with that. Yeah, I think it's quite pretty. Okay, let me take my gloves off and I'll take you down for a close-up. Sorry. Okay. See if I can move that light out of the way and still have light. Yeah, I like it. Okay. Well, that was fairly quick and easy. I'll look forward to showing you the dried results on the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.